Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest in technology and innovation. In today's video, we are going to talk about SQL, the backbone of the tech industry. We all know how important SQL is when it comes to data analytics, but with the introduction of ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. So, let's dive into the topic and see how ChatGPT is changing the way we use SQL. SQL has been around for many years and it has played a crucial role in data analytics. But sometimes working with SQL can be a bit complicated, especially for beginners. That's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational agent that makes working with SQL a piece of cake. For beginners who are just starting with SQL, ChatGPT is a great teacher. It can guide you through the whole process and teach you the basics, right from creating a database to writing complex queries. The best part is that it's intuitive and engaging, making learning fun and interactive. In the corporate world, time is of the essence. ChatGPT can help in automating repetitive tasks such as data cleaning and data transformation. This not only saves time but also reduces the chances of errors. ChatGPT can also be used for generating reports and visualizations based on the data, making it easy for managers to get the insights they need on their fingertips. You can simply copy any SQL code into ChatGPT and ask for corrections. You can simply ask ChatGPT to create or write a code in SQL. ChatGPT also supports RMAN commands for database recovery and backup.